As we celebrate St. Peter's Day briefly, St. Peter's started in 1907 as a boys' school with only 7 boys that were studying under a mango tree. We are privileged that today it has kept on growing to a gigantic school. We right now have 3,563 learners. It's a day and boarding school. It was started by the Mill Hill Fathers. We are proud of the Mill Hill Fathers for this good gesture in Uganda. As a boys' school, today we are proud that it's a mixed school with quite a number of girls who are also learning very well. Where we stand today, we have a very big staff of 72 teachers and 42 support staff who are doing a great job. We call upon all the parents of this school. First of all, we are very grateful for giving us the children, and also invite you to come and celebrate with us. We have children who are going to be confirmed. We have children who are going to receive their first Holy Communion. And we shall also have the prefect swearing in, the prefect's body, 2025, 2026, they will be swearing in tomorrow. Yes, the school has existed since 1907. Today we are celebrating 118 years of its existence. Grateful to the government of Uganda, to the Catholic Church for all the support given.